Welcome back, fellow seekers of wisdom. Today we have something truly extraordinary in store for you. We'll dive into the mystical world of ancient Zen philosophy and uncover 6 secret techniques that will allow you to attract anyone you meet within just 90 seconds. That's right. You heard it correctly. 90 seconds. But before we reveal these powerful secrets, let's explore an enchanting ancient Zen story that will set the stage for our journey to charisma mastery. Centuries ago, in the serene mountains of Japan, a wise Zen master lived a life of tranquility and inner peace. His presence was magnetic, drawing people from all walks of life eager to learn the secrets behind his irresistible aura. One day, a curious traveler ventured to meet this legendary Zen master. With trepidation, the traveler approached the master, hoping to glimpse the essence of his captivating charm. Zen master. Greetings, traveler. What brings you to my humble abode, traveler? I have heard tales of your extraordinary charisma and wisdom. I wish to learn the art of attracting others like you do, Zen master. Ah, the allure of charisma. Come sit with me and I shall share the ancient Zen secrets that have been passed down through generations. And so the Zen master began to reveal the 6 secrets that would transform the traveler's life forever. Secret 1. Present awareness. The first secret to cultivating irresistible charisma is present awareness. In a world full of distractions, being genuinely present with someone is a rare gift. When you engage in a conversation, give them your undivided attention. Maintain eye contact and actively listen to what they have to say. Show interest in their thoughts and feelings and let them know that they matter. Being present in the moment creates a profound connection and makes the other person feel valued and respected. Secret to genuine compassion. The second secret lies in genuine compassion. Show authentic care and empathy towards others. When you interact with someone, put yourself in their shoes. Understand their perspective and offer support without judgment. Let go of any preconceived notions and approach each person with an open heart. When you genuinely wish well for others and extend your compassion, they will naturally be drawn to your warmth and kindness. Secret 3. Simplicity and humility. Embrace simplicity and humility in your words and actions. Often we feel the need to impress others with our achievements or possessions, but true charisma comes from being down to earth and unpretentious. Share your experiences and knowledge without boasting, and be open to learning from others. Humility shows that you are secure in yourself and don't seek validation from external sources, making you instantly likable. Secret 4. Authenticity. The fourth secret is authenticity. Be true to yourself and embrace your genuine self-expression. Trying to be someone you're not might impress people temporarily, but it won't create lasting connections. Embrace your flaws and strengths and let your true personality shine through. When you are authentic, people will sense your sincerity and they will be naturally drawn to your realness. Secret 5. Inner peace. Cultivate inner peace within yourself. In fast-paced world, a calm and centered presence is incredibly appealing. Let go of the need to be constantly in a rush or anxious about the future. Radiate a sense of calmness and tranquility, and others will feel at ease in your company. Inner peace is magnetic and will naturally attract others towards your serenity. Secret 6. Silence and spontaneity. Embrace the power of silence and spontaneous joy. Sometimes we feel the need to fill every moment with chatter or planned activities, but allowing moments of silence and embracing spontaneity can be truly magical. Be comfortable with silence, as it allows space for deeper connections to form. Similarly, let your spontaneous joy shine through. Laugh heartily, express genuine excitement, and let your inner child come out to play. Such openness and lightheartedness will make you captivating to others. Now, equipped with these ancient Zen secrets, embarked on a journey of self-discovery and mastery. As he practiced the teachings diligently, he noticed a profound change within himself. And now it's time for you to apply these secrets in your own life. Let's take a closer look at how you can use these techniques to attract anyone you meet within 90 seconds. I have a challenge for you in just 90 seconds. Approach a stranger, engage them using the Zen secrets, and witness the magic unfold. There you have it, the captivating ancients and secrets that can help you attract anyone you meet in just 90 seconds. Remember, charisma isn't about manipulation, but about connecting with others on a deeper level. So embrace these Zen teachings and let your authentic charisma shine through. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more profound insights and ancient wisdom. Until next time, stay curious, stay wise, and stay charismatic.